and film us. Is that what we're seeing?
That's what we're recording right now.
Sweet. All right, guys, Rich here. I got Zach.
What's up?
Say hi.
How you doing?
Anyway, guys, we're at the RCInformer aerodrome where we're just testing out a little bit of video with drone. I just met Zach today.
Yeah.
He contacted me about the field, and we've been setting all this up. If you want to do a spin around, just to kind of show everybody.
Oh yeah, we can go around
the field. So he's going to take you up and away, sort of for a preview of the field. Maybe just tour around a little bit. He's trying out his new drone. What is this, a Mavic?
Yeah, Mavic 4 Pro, and
okay.
I got the RC2. So this is the field from all the way up here.
He's just gonna sort of drive around and show you. We got the lake. The pond is filling right now.
Yeah.
And we've got both runways almost done. To the right-hand corner of the screen is our last piece we got to cover. Me and Steve are going to do that tomorrow. So it's a felt runway with geotextile. It's, what is it, 572 feet long? About 320, 330 for the other runway. So we got two runways here. And the building. So we're just getting it set up now. We'll show you guys some more videos later. But in the meantime, we just got two microphones on. And like I said, Zach came out just sort of to show everybody what the field looks like. That's the back of our building, where we're going to have all our planes and stuff. And we got cows on the field and all that too. So, and we're just going to fly around a little, just to sort of show you the field. He's just kind of giving you a little tour. I'm standing here next to him with all of my planes. So you can go down the lake and all that kind of stuff. So
yeah, let's
anyway,
get back down to here.
Right up in the center, yeah.
Why don't we go ahead and launch
fly a little bit? Okay, yeah.
Launch your thing.
Let me put this plane out here. He's going to follow us around a little bit. We're just going to fly around a little bit. Let's see, kind of watch your screen. Once I start flying, I can't look at your screen anymore.
No, that's fine.
But yeah, I'll just drive around a little bit and let him follow the plane a bit. So I'm going to take off in the opposite direction. I'm going to do a 180 here.
Gotcha.
And we'll just fly around the pattern. We can go whichever way is easier for you if you want.
As long as you do a circle or tell me what you're doing, I can go ahead and follow it.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take off from here, okay? This is my beater super easy. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start a left turn here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to kind of go the direction we did before. We kind of just did this as sort of a test run a little bit. So I'm going to just do an oval like we did before. I'll do exactly the same thing. So
all right.
Does that work for you? Or
yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha.
Okay. So I'm just going to do an oval pattern. He's just going to follow me around the field a little bit. And it's a little windy out here, so.
Yeah, I'm still learning this thing of a hog basically, but I'm able to get generally pretty close.
I'm just flying around about half throttle.
Yeah.
Let him just let me follow me around. He's just going to follow me on an oval traffic pattern.
Yeah, this thing's got a max cap of 60, and I got it in sport mode. So
60 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So I can...
Okay, yeah, I see. Occasionally I can glance down at your screen, but I can't do it for too long because I got to watch my... Will it help you if I go higher or lower? Or...
I could do whatever, just as long as you're not doing anything really crazy.
Roll it around.
There you go, cool.
Sweet. A lot of times when my buddy Steve is filming, I'm usually doing things that I'm losing him with. So I'm trying to try to tell him what I'm doing with it, you know. So, but
yeah, this thing is responsive enough, especially if you're in sport mode, because I got it's got a turn to it. But
so how do you feel about doing the same thing we're doing now, but when we get base to final, I'm going to turn and go lower.
Okay.
You feel comfortable going lower with it?
Yeah, I can go lower.
I'll get closer to the runway here.
Yeah, I can follow you.
Okay, I'm going to get lower to the ground. If you want to get lower, I'm going to drop it down right now.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, that's it. I'm just getting kind of really low over the runway. I'm not going fast or anything. Just kind of crawling along here. There we go. Cool. So what I'll do is I'll start turning left. Are you still behind me? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I am. Kept you generally in the view.
Yeah. Well, it takes some skill for both of us to get coordinated, you know, doing the same thing. And
communicating is the thing about it.
So I'm going to do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to get low again. And but when I get to the end of the runway, I'm going to stay low this time.
Okay.
And I'm going to try to go over the pond.
Okay.
So I'm just going to go real close to us. And then I'm going to go a little farther out to the right a little bit. I'm going to start my turn here. And I'm going to try to go down the pond if I can.
Okay.
I'm still new to the field myself, so I think I'm about over the pond.
You are just to the left of the pond.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. So
Now you're in the center.
there you go.
Now you're past it.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn back to the runway again.
Okay, gotcha.
Go down the runway again.
Yep, gotcha. Right over runway, inverted.
Well, actually, I'm kind of.
Now you're on the left of the runway.
Well, I started watching your your drone for a second. So
Yeah, I was just making
I'm
sure.
gonna try to go down the pond again, inverted here.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. You're just to the left of the pond.
Yeah. Roll it around again. All right, I'm gonna turn. I'll come back to the runway. You can keep going. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around before you come through the runway.
Touch and go out front here. There we go. A little hard. There we go. There you go. You must be pretty close to me here.
I am about 10, 20 feet off
Yeah,
your ass.
I'm just gonna go right above the tree line. That's one of our hazards here is the tree line.
Yep. Fortunately, you're a little high, so you're good.
Yeah.
You got about 10 feet of clearance at that.
I'll come down again, low.
Yeah, you got about 5 feet of clearance when you made that turn.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, you mean that tree there?
Yeah, that tree
I was
is-
right over the fence there, yeah. Yeah, the tree kind of is right where the fence is, so if you go too far, somebody's gonna hit that tree eventually.
Yeah, I think it might be better if people just like land from the opposite direction that you've been going.
Well, we can turn it around.
Because it's been, because you got more clearance the opposite way.
Well, it depends on the wind, because you usually land it into the wind.
Yeah.
Actually, the wind is coming from our. Actually, you know, it doesn't make sense because the wind is coming from our right. But
Yeah,
we can turn it
I mean,
around.
we got like a 6-knot wind here, so,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
higher up when they're there, I mean, it's not too bad.
Let's see here.
So far, this thing's been able to keep up pretty well. I
Running
mean,
with it. Right on that center line. Look at that. Look at that.
nice job on that
All right,
one.
Let's see, yeah. All right, so you want to do anything different or?
What do you want to do? I'm just following you.
All right, let's do this. Let me make a tighter left turn here and I'll come down the center of the pond. How about let's do that?
Okay. Let me go ahead and set that one up. I'm going to go and I'll slide over to...
And the center of this pond as best as I can do it. So I'm still not flying. I haven't flown here very much at all. I've been building it. And then what I'll do is I'm going to go left a little bit here, and I'll come down the runway the other way. How about that?
Okay.
Like I'll come down this way. There we go. Just the opposite pattern. That's my timer. I don't know if that really matters much.
Okay. Just making sure.
See, my ground speed's a lot faster now because we have a little bit of a tailwind.
Yeah.
So I'll climb up here a little bit to the right. We got to go over the trees there.
Okay.
There we go.
I'll get a little bit of side on this, see if I can...
Yeah, it probably is better going the other way because of the wind.
Let me get a little bit of stationary up here.
Like I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to land the other direction too. Okay, I see where you're at.
Yeah.
Actually, do you want to come over and hover over the center of the runway, and I can just kind of go around you?
Yeah.
We can do
So
that,
what I could
yeah.
do is I'll go over the water here,
Okay.
and I'll position myself. I'll position myself in the corner.
I'm going to land out front while you're doing that.
So I'll position myself in the corner right here. And if you want to go ahead and land like you have been, I
Okay.
can go ahead and follow you.
Yeah, if you even want to get midfield or somewhere, yeah, wherever.
Well,
you
what
wanna
I
go.
what I was planning on doing.
Okay.
So what I'll do here. Let me go ahead and take this. I'll go ahead and put this up here.
You can kind of position, okay.
So I'll position here, and then I should be able to just. Oh, no, not that way. Okay, let me do this. I'm gonna. Oop. I did not want to do that because I wasn't in that correct mode.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll plan waypoint here.
So you can pan when I fly past.
Yeah. So let
So I'll
me,
land this way.
and then I can go ahead.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Let me get over here real quick so that way I can
All
just
right, so he's just
organize.
positioning, and we're.
Okay, and then I should be able to plan that, and then I just will go max speed, and at the end of flight, we'll go ahead and hover. Let's get it over to. Let's got to position itself on one, and then I'll pause it right there. And then once you're ready, I'll just go ahead and unpause it.
I could go when it, okay. So you're programming waypoints then?
Yeah. So right now it's getting a position for that.
So I'll land this way? Is that the plan?
Yeah, so you'll land, you'll take off and then...
You ready for it? Or?
Yeah, I'm ready for whenever you are, so
let's take off out of here.
it's just gonna sit there for a second.
Turn around and come back quick. Let's see where you're at. All right, so I'm turning base to farm here.
Okay, and I got fly.
Trying to hit those barricades that are there. Oh, that was nice.
That actually worked out pretty well.
Really?
Keep going, keep going.
Okay, I see. Okay, so you're gonna kind of try to follow me then.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. You want to bring it back to there, or?
Yeah, let me go ahead and I'll get the
Okay.
RC back over there. So let me a second.
That's cool. While you're doing that, I'll land real fast.
Okay.
Save a little battery here.
Next, go. All right. It's not efficient when it actually like chooses how it's going to get to its location.
Right. Yeah.
but-
Like when you do a return to home.
Yeah.
It kind of does it in a slow. You're better off sometimes just landing it yourself.
Yeah.
If you're able to. But yeah.
All right. So I'm all set.
All right. Here we go.
Okay, it's going. Oh yeah, that was smooth. There you go. Keep going. There you go.
All right, and I see where you're at, so.
Yeah, just paused.
Without hitting you there.
No. You're like I purposefully put it in that location so that way.
That's good.
But yeah, here we are down here. We're currently at the facility, still under construction.
Yeah. Yeah. We get. Oh, it's windy out there. Holy
Oh yeah,
smokes.
we just got a gust over here.
All right, let me drive up here.
You got it.
I'll bring it right up here. Get the safety on it. All right, folks, that's it for now. Stay tuned as we get the place built up.
Yeah.
We'll be coming back and doing some more flying. So, what do you think? Cool? Cool
Yeah.
out here? Yeah? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
as long as you stay in the shade.
Yeah. Well, we got plenty of that. All right, guys, we'll be back later. Thanks for watching.
Bye.